In this video, we are going to see how to precise search of lots. It is used to get filter lots and save time. Step 1. Advanced search. On click of search button, we can see advanced search option. On click of advanced search button, it open new page with multiple filter options. On the search section, we have enter keyword option, which helps to filter lots on base of title, subtitle, and description of lot. Select a category option, which helps to filter category-based lots. Price range option helps to search lots between price bracket. Listing status option helps to differentiate lot by active, completed, and any status of lot. Listing option contains 2 drop-down. First drop-down have 3 option: all, ending within, started in the past, which filter lot on base of time. Second drop-down have 2 option, which helps to filter lot duration. Seller option helps to filter lots based on seller name. In additional details section, condition option helps to filter lot based on properties option. Step 2. Apply filter. In select category section, we have selected automotive, vehicle option. In price range, we have set 20,000 to 35,000 price range. In listing status, active option is by default selected. In listing option, all, and seller option, the Carroll family user selected. Now click on search button. Here we have filter data as per selected filter option. Here we can see selected category option. Here we can see active button is by default selected. In sort option, let's select price low to check price bracket. Here we can see 20,000 to 35,000 range. Now let's more filter to get precise lot. In this option, we add Toyota keyword. In condition option, we have selected like new option. Here we can see precise filter lot.